Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. A new DIY project. Alex is not very happy, of course. He doesn't like to work, he loves to relax at dacha, but well, what to do? The new project, that is the shelf. The shelf for my DIY corner.
Полка для медведей.
Yeah, that will be the shelf where I will put my pictures, my bears, so it will be some inspiration shelf. If we had IKEA, we would go and buy the shelves there. We have several IKEA shelves and they are rather cheap. They were rather cheap and of rather good quality, but as now we do not have IKEA any longer in Russia, so now Alex has much more work to do. Let me show you guys my garden, because I haven't filmed, I think, for 1 month. I have rucola, very yummy, but not for everyone. Some people do not love it. That is parsley, basil. Over here, the purple one, that is basil. Lettuce of different colors, Spanish, this one, over here we had very good harvest of radish. The radish was really wonderful this year, you see, incredibly good. Over there is sorrel. Here it is, but some insects almost ruined it. I think the sorrel is so yummy that the local insects cannot resist the temptation of eating it. Some more lettuce, some more parsley, green onions. I do not cut the whole onion. I just cut such, I don't know how it is called, branches, leaves, so just like this. And that is why you can see here a lot of such things. And it gives new leaves, and such small plantation is for a long time for me, and I can harvest green onions for a long time. That is garlic over here. This raw, that is beetroot, Ethiopia. We bought some seeds in Leroy Merlin. I liked the package, and that is why I bought them and planted. That is peas from the package from Amazon. Steven and Angela sent us some time ago, I think 2 or 3 years ago, when it was possible to send parcels to Russia, so they sent us a wonderful box, and there were seeds. So you can see, so everything is great. Every seed gave the plant. That is wonderful. That is also from that package, but unfortunately beans do not want to grow as good as pears grow. Two greenhouses that Alex constructed some time ago. One for tomatoes. This one. The construction is very light. He just puts the board over here and the fresh air can enter. In the evening he removes the boards and the greenhouse is protecting the plants from all the sides. And here are cucumbers. We already have the harvest of cucumbers. Several cucumbers we already harvested. Small ones are here, you see. And tomatoes. And one more part of my garden that I wanted to show to you. That is that side. Alex made a very simple greenhouse here. He just put some plastic tubes and covered it with plastic. So in the evening we just put plastic over here, put the boards for the plastic not to fly away. That is zucchini plantation. A lot of weeds here, but we do not get rid of them because the plants are very small at the moment, and when I cut the weeds, the good plants also suffer. So I'm waiting for the weeds to be a little bit bigger. It will be easier to get rid of them. And here are some flowers. I don't know what will be. I just put some seeds here, and luckily they give some plants. They gave some plants, and now when they are rather big, I will plant them somewhere. And that is Alex. I do not let him make the noise. That is why he doesn't work. Yeah, Sheffier is helping. Yeah, Sheffier. And today we are with Grizzly. Grizzly is hiding somewhere. I want to answer the question about Grizzly. Grizzly is not aqua turtle. He doesn't love to swim, he doesn't love water. So that is, как он, среднеазиатская, да? Среднеазиатская черепаха. Middle Asian turtle, or how to translate. He loves apricots and he loves to hide somewhere in the shade. That is the turtle house, the turtle farm Alex constructed some time ago. So from time to time I put the tap of water, and Grizzly has the shower. It is usually once a week or maybe 2 times a week. It depends on the weather. But in general, Grizzly doesn't like to swim. These boards are put here especially for Grizzly to hide. They are not attached here, but they give the shadow and Grizzly can hide. And over here, guys, the 2 roots of sweet potatoes. This year I decided not to grow sweet potatoes because they do not want to give harvest, but somehow I got 2 sprouts, even 3 sprouts if I'm not mistaken. Here are 3 sprouts, and now I will plant them somewhere. So that will be one more experiment, but I don't know why sweet potatoes doesn't want to grow. Maybe I cannot grow it, maybe the climate is not good. I don't know. Today I will plant 3 roots of sweet potatoes. Thank you, Alex, for your patience. Now you can continue.